Basic learning. The Two Cats and a Monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of break. While sharing, they made big and small pieces, so they began to fight for the bigger piece. At the same time, a monkey saw them fighting. He bit the bigger piece to make equal. Again, it bit the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit, he ate the whole bread and went away happily. The poor cats lost the bread. Moral: we must learn to share what we have.